Today I will introduce a 5-inch DSI IPS touchscreen developed by OSOYOO. This screen has a resolution of 800 by 480, which is good for smaller projects. The greatest feature of this screen is that it is using DSI interface instead of HDMI. DSI is supported by official Raspberry Pi OS, also called Raspbian. So the screen is plug and play, no need to install any additional driver. In this video, I will test this screen on Raspberry Pi 3B+. The screen can also work with the Raspberry Pi 2, 3, and 4. Let's start this unboxing video now. First, let's open the packing box. You will find the DSI ribbon cable and the 5-inch screen. Now connect the flat DSI ribbon cable to the screen's DSI port. Make sure the blue part of the ribbon cable is facing upside. Now connect the Raspberry Pi board to the 4 standoffs in the screen. You can use the screwdriver in the box to fasten the screen to the 4 standoffs. Lastly, let's insert the other end of the ribbon cable to the Raspberry Pi DSI port. Make sure the cable is fully inserted into the slot tightly. There is a protection film in the screen. You can remove it if you want. Now we can connect the power adapter to Raspberry Pi. Your screen will also get power from Raspberry Pi automatically. No need extra adapter for the screen. Now turning on the power. After a while, you will see the Raspberry Pi icon. You may notice that the screen can display the image properly even if we haven't installed any software driver for the display and touch panel. This is because the screen's display and touch panel driver are part of the Raspbian OS DSI interface. Finally, let's test the touch panel function with our finger. You can see the screen responds quickly and accurately to our touch. Let's see the screen from a sharp angle. You can see this IPS screen has a very wide viewing angle range. Now let's show you how to change the display orientation from landscape to portrait. We need to use Nano to edit a file called /boot/config.txt. In the bottom of the file, add 2 lines, display _rotate =1 and LCD _rotate =1. Now press Ctrl X to save the file and reboot your Raspberry Pi. You will see your screen orientation will change to portrait. Here's the result. If you want to change orientation back to landscape, you should edit the config.txt file again. You can change the rotate value from 1 to 0 and use Ctrl X to save the file, then reboot Raspberry Pi. Here is the result. Now I will show you how to adjust brightness. First, we have to change our role as root by typing sudo su root. Now use an echo command to assign brightness value to Raspberry Pi. The brightness value must be between 0 to 255. Let's see our result. First, we set the brightness value to 20, and you will see the screen will become very dark. Now we set back the brightness value to 255, and you will see the screen will become bright again. This screen is designed by OSOYOO, a Canadian brand since 2009. We also have 3.5-inch and 7-inch similar DSI screens. For more information about this screen, please visit www.osoyoo.com/dsi5.html. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.